Lesson 2.4, Concept 2, Simplify before solving inequalities. So just like for equations, when we have multiple terms that are alike on the same side or both sides of an inequality, we're going to simplify those before we start isolating our variable or moving our constants. All right? So on this side, and what helps me if you struggle with this is to put signs. If there's no sign, it should be positive to the left, and then draw a box including that left-hand sign. And because these are all addition or subtraction, I can move them in any way that I want as long as they stay on the same side of the inequality. Right? So I can rewrite this as 2x plus 2/3 x minus 3 is greater than 5 plus 3 minus x. And then I can combine that to be 8 minus x, and this to be 2 and 2/3 x minus 3. And now I can start to isolate my variable and move my constants over to the same side. So I'm going to start with 3, add 3, add 3. Those will cancel, and that'll be 11. X. And I have 2 and 2/3 x. I'm going to add my 1x to both sides, add 1x, cancel, and I'll be left with 11 on this side and 3 and 2/3 x. It's going to be easiest if I turn that into an improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Thirds x is greater than 11. And then I multiply by the reciprocal. 3 over 11 times 3 over 11. Those will cancel. I'm running out of room, but I have x is greater than 11 times 3 over 11. I can cancel those and have 3 over 1. And x is going to be greater than 3. All right? And it's going to actually turn out to be the same as our last problem. And it will be an open circle going to the right. And that's it.